Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you social subject class 4 CBSE. Okay, in the last class I have completed lesson number 11. Okay, children, what lesson number 11, mineral resources. Okay, today I am going to start the lesson number 12. That is saving our environment. Environment. Saving our environment. Okay. Environment means what? Environment means it is everything that around us. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, that is it can be living thing and it can be non-living things. Okay, what is environment? Environment is everything that is around us. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, that is it can be living thing or it can be non-living things. Okay, examples: animals. Okay, examples: animals. Okay, animals are living things. Okay, then plants. Plants also living things. Okay, next is soil. Soil is non-living thing. Then water. Water also non-living thing. That and other living and non-living things constitute our environment. What is environment, children? Environment is everything that is around us. It can be living thing and it can be non-living thing. Trees, okay, birds, all, okay, stones, etc. What is environment? Environment is everything that is around us. It can be living thing or it can be non-living things. The examples: animals, plants, soil, water, trees, birds, stone, etc. These are all in our environment. Got it, children? Living things constantly interact with it and adapt themselves to the conditions in their environment. Okay, living things, we are all live in our environment. Okay, we need environment. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನ ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ, ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, we are all living things now. So next is pollution. 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 Pollution means ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ. ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಹೇಗೆ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, what is meaning of pollution? Okay, pollution is the introduction of contaminants. CO, NTI, MA, MI, NANTS. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into natural environment that causes adverse change. Look, children, pollution means what? Pollution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯಕಾರಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿಕೂಲವಾದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗುಡ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಂದು ಹಾಕೋದು, ದೆನ್ ದ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಾಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯಕಾರಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ contaminants, when the contaminants came into the natural environment, then the pollution causes adverse change. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಗಲೀಜನ್ನು ತಂದು ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ, in the pollution, when the contaminants came into the natural environment, that causes adverse change in the environment. In other words, pollution is the process of making land, water, air or other parts of the environment dirty and unsafe. ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ pollution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, pollution is the process of making land, water, air or other parts of the environment dirty. Pollution means what, children? Making the land pollution, water, air and other parts of the ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ dirt ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಗಲೀಜನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we are called as pollution. Pollution means what? Pollution is the process of making land pollution, air pollution, water pollution and other parts of the environment dirty and unsafe. This is the pollution. Pollution means what, children? Pollution is the process of making land, water, air or other parts of the environment dirty. Okay, when we make our environment dirty, then the pollution causes. Okay, now environment now we should keep our environment very clean. We got it, children? We have to keep our environment very clean. Okay, first, here there are the 3 types of pollutions are there. Okay, how many types of pollutions are there? 3 types of pollutions are there. First one is air pollution. Air pollution, POLLUTION. Air. Air is very important. As why, children? We breathe through the air. No. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಳಿಯಿಂದ ಉಸಿರಾಡೋಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? No. So air is our basic need. ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಉಸಿರು ನಿಂತಂದ್ರೆ we will die. No. So air is very important to us. So we should keep our air very clean. Got it? How the air pollution causes? Air pollution ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, air pollution occurs when gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced into the atmosphere and make it harmful to the humans, animals and plants. How the air pollution causes? Air pollution ಹೇಗೆ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, children, and the gases. Okay, how the air pollution causes? And the gases. Okay, when the gases, 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 dust particles, DUST, dust, PARTICLES, dust particles, smoke, SMOKE, smoke. Okay, got it, children? Look here. Gases, dust particles, then smoke. These are all come to the environment, then the air pollution causes. Okay, air pollution occurs when the gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced into the atmosphere. Look, children, ivaga ಒಂದು ನದಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಗಳಿದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಮೋಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ಟು ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಧೂಳಿಂದ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಓಡಾಡೋದು, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರೋ ಧೂಳಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, how the air pollution causes? By the gases, dust particles and by the smoke. Okay, factories they will send a lot of smoke, ಹೊಗೆಯನ್ನ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಗೆಯನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, air pollution occurs when the gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced into the atmosphere, then the air pollution causes. So it is very dangerous, it is very harmful to the humans. Okay, it is air pollution is very dangerous to the harmful to the humans. Humans. Humans means we are all human beings now. Man, woman, men, women, girls, boys, animals, birds. Okay, for these air pollution is very harmful. Okay, now ತುಂಬಾ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಬರೋದು, ಜ್ವರ ಬರೋದು, ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So air pollution is very harmful to the humans, okay, and animals and the plants also. Got it, children? Air pollution causes long-term damage to heart. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನ ಕುಡಿಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಉಸಿರಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಏರ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಉಸಿರಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಟು ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್, nervous system, brain, kidneys, liver and other organs. Got it? Air pollution. How the air pollution causes, children? By the gases, by the dust particles, by the smoke of factories. Okay. It is very harmful to the humans, animals and birds. Humans, animals and birds. Okay, children, is very dangerous, and also to the plants. Okay, air pollution causes long-term damage to the heart, nervous system, brain, kidneys and liver and other body parts. It is also affects animals, birds also and animals. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕೆಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ, ಲಿವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೈನ್, ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Now I am going to repeat this one more time. Okay, saving our environment. Okay, save means what? Protect. We have to protect our environment. Okay, children? Got it? First one is environment. What is the environment? Environment is everything that is around us. Okay, it can be living things or it can be non-living things. Example, animals, plants, soil, water, trees, birds and stone, etc. Okay. Living things constantly interact with it and adapt themselves to the conditions in their environment. We have to live in our environment. So we have to keep our environment very clean and tidy. What is the first is pollution. What is the meaning of pollution? Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that is causes adverse change. Okay, when the contaminants things comes into the natural environment, that is called as pollution. Okay, in the words, pollution is the process of making land, water, air and other parts of the environment dirty. What is the meaning of pollution, children? Pollution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಭೂಮಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಏರ್, ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನ ಡರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, that is called as pollution. Okay, pollution is the process of making land, water, air and other parts of environment dirty and unsafe. land pollution and water pollution. Okay, first is air pollution. The air is very important to us. Why, children? We breathe with our help of air. No, we need air to breathe. ಉಸಿರಾಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Without air we cannot live. Yes, children. Very good. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced into the atmosphere. How the air pollution causes? ಹೇಗೆ air pollution ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? gases ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ dust particles ಇಂದ, ಧೂಳಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ, smoke ಇಂದ air pollution ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ vehicles ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀವ್ ದ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ಸ್. ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕೂಡ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, air pollution occurs when gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced into the atmosphere and make it harmful to the humans. Okay, air pollution, it is very harmful to the humans, animals and birds and the plants also. Okay, when we breathe the dirty air, okay, we become ill. Got it? And it is very dangerous to the heart, nervous system, brain, kidneys, liver and other organs. Okay, it is also affects animals and plants and also the birds. Got it, children? How we control the air pollution? Now idenne hege control ಮಾಡಬಹುದು air pollution? Okay, we use the public transport. Okay, ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಗಿಂತ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಡೆಯಬಹುದು. We have to control our air pollution by the using of public transport. Public transport means buses, metro trains, railways. Okay, cars, public, Ola, Uber, okay, ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ದ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, now I am going to continue this lesson in the next class. Land pollution and water pollution, how to save the environment, I am going to do in the next class. Now I am going to give you hard words in this lesson. You should copy in your classroom. Okay, children? Yes, take your classwork and write the hard words in this lesson. Yes, children? Take your classworks. Now, children, I am going to give you hard words in this lesson. First main, HARD, hard, WORDS, words. First one, SAVE, save. First one, SAVE, save. Second one, environment, 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 environment. First one SAVE, save. Second one environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment. Third one pollution, 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 pollution. Fourth one everything, EVERY, every, THING, thing, everything, EVERY, every, THING, thing, everything. Fifth one conditions, 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 conditions. Sixth one atmosphere, 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 atmosphere. Seventh one contaminants, CONTIMINANTS, contaminants, CONTIMINANTS, contaminants. Eighth one humans, 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 humans. Ninth one diseases, DISEASES, diseases. Tenth one destruction, DES, TRUCTION, destruction, DES, TRUCTION, destruction. 11th one future, 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 future. 12th one organizations, ORGANIZATIONS, organizations. Okay children, now I am going to repeat these hard words one more time. Okay children, are you copying this? Are you writing in your classwork? Yes. Okay. First one SAVE, 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 save. Second one environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment. Third one POLLUTION, 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 pollution. Fourth one EVERYTHING, 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 everything. Fifth one conditions, 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 conditions. Sixth one atmosphere, 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 atmosphere. Seventh one CONTIMINANTS, contaminants, CONTIMINANTS, contaminants. Eighth one humans, 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 humans. Ninth one D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S, diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S, diseases. 10th one, destruction. D-E-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, destruction. D-E-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, destruction. 11th one, F-U-T-U-R-E, future. F-U-T-U-R-E, future. 12th one, organizations. O-R-G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N-S. O-R-G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N-S, organizations. Got it, children? You have to write in your class work and read lesson number 12. Thank you, children. Bye.